In amongst these pristine woods lies an amusement park ride called the Corn Wheel. Squirrels try to test out its mechanism, and every week it needs to be replenished. I need to show you how. Step 1, grab some corn. Be sure to start out with a 5/16 screw eye. This one's 3 inches. I think 4 inches is better. Make sure your corn is suitable for drilling. Take a decent 1/4 inch bit, wood bit preferably, with a pilot tip. Drill on low. Start the screw eye with 7 or 8 turns till it's snug. Then you can swap out, or if you have 2 drills, grab a drill with a hook and on low again, screw it in. Just until it's snug. If you go too far, corn starts popping. You're ready. Step 4, 5, or 6, grab a step stool. This corn wheel has been mounted up about 8 feet, so it's out of the reach of deer for the most part. Then you'll notice the wimpy screw eyes have been replaced. I think they're about 1/8 inch. These are 5/16. And then this Hillman keychain holder, key holder. It's basically a lips with a threaded collar. Allows just enough room to get the 5/16 in there, and then you tighten it back up. Ready to go, and it's pretty much squirrel proof and deer proof.